Do you believe that global warming exists?
Yes.
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 Why do you want to prevent global warming?
I want to prevent global warming for all future generations.
I want to prevent global warming because I don't want to live on Mars.
Because I want to save the indigenous species that live on our polar ice caps.
To preserve our beautiful world.
So that my niece's grandchildren can grow up in a safe environment.
So the human population can thrive. I want my children to breathe clean air.
I want to prevent global warming to preserve the beauty of the earth we live on.
I want to prevent global warming for my children's 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 children.
I want to prevent global warming because the polar bears are dying. And I don't want to live in a world without polar bears.